5 dynamic ways to change your subconscious money mindset. Are you ready to step up and change your subconscious beliefs about money? So many people are held back by their subconscious beliefs about money, work, and deserving. Do a quick check of your own money mindset. Do you think it's hard to get rich? Are wealthy people just lucky? Maybe you can't see a way out of living from one paycheck to the next. Perhaps you dream of one day clearing all the bills and being debt-free. The good news is that your mindset can be changed. Here are 5 dynamic ways you can start switching up your subconscious to a wealthy mindset and removing those mental obstacles right now. 1. Decide to move your goalposts. Many people tend to think that their finances are impacted by external factors that they have little or no control over. But the most important factor in whether you stay in struggle street or move into wealth is where you expect to be. Somewhere deep in your subconscious, you have several money goals or set points. They set your expectations for how much money and debt you expect to have. You have control over these beliefs. 2. Free yourself from your programming. Most of your beliefs about money were set by your childhood experiences. How did your family experience money? What were the messages you received? Chances are your family's money mindset was like many others. Money is hard to get, doesn't grow on trees, and only the lucky few are rich. If there were hard times, was there an expectation that they were temporary and better times would come? Or was money seen as elusive and scarce? Once you've identified where your money mindset came from, you can take back control and reset it for abundance. 3. Root out past financial failures. Everyone goes through bad times, but it's up to you how to deal with the legacy. Maybe past failure continues to haunt you as a reminder and reinforces your childhood negative money messages. Feeling guilty or sad about past failures is not an excellent way to build a positive future. Acknowledge your past mistakes and move on to focus on better things. 4. Use mind-body techniques to shift old beliefs. There are some very effective ways you can use physical methods to shift old belief patterns that are no longer serving you. Techniques like tapping, emotional freedom techniques, use gentle tapping on acupressure points to help focus your mind on unblocking negative emotions. 5. Rest your money goals. Once you've cleared away old beliefs, you can set new positive money goals. You'll have the freedom to make positive choices. Instead of focusing on the difficulties of paying bills, you can change your expectations and focus on the wealth you want.